StudyTalk.com.
Next question is a sum of rupees 700. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. 7 cash prizes to students of a school. To students of a school for their overall academic performances. For their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each prize. Find the value of each of the prizes. This is the question. Here also we have to find out the value of each prize. They have given in the question that there are 7 prizes, means n is equal to 7. Each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding, means common difference D is equal to minus 20, because it is given that each price is 20 less, means minus 20, and sum is known to us. Sum is given as rupees 700. That means Sn is equal to 700. So we have to write the formula for finding the sum. Sn means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 700. Here n is equal to 7. 7 by 2 into first term. We don't know the value of the first term. So write a as it is, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 20. It is 700. 7 by 2 into 2 into a plus 6 into minus 20 is equal to 700. 7 by 2 into a minus 120 is equal to 700. Now we can cross multiply by 2 and divide by 7. Therefore 2 into a minus 120 is equal to 700 into 2 divided by 7. We are cross multiplying 700 into 2 and dividing by 7. Now 7 and 700 get cancelled. It is 100. 100 into 2 is 200. 2 into a minus 120 is equal to 200. Therefore 2a is equal to 200. We are changing minus 120 to the right side of the equal sign. It is plus 120. 2a is equal to 200 plus 120. It is 320. Therefore a is equal to 320 divided by 2. It is 160. That is, value of the first prize is rupees 160. Amount of first prize is equal to rupees 160. Now, amount of second prize, rupees 160 minus 20. It is rupees 140. Amount of third prize is equal to rupees 140 minus 20. It is rupees 120. Amount of fourth prize rupees 120 minus 20 is equal to rupees 100. Amount of fifth prize 100 minus 20 is equal to rupees 80. Amount of sixth prize rupees 80 minus 20 is equal to rupees 60. Amount of seventh prize is equal to rupees 60 minus 20 is equal to rupees 40. This is the answer. The total amount will be rupees 700 itself. Okay.